Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to integrate PayPal with your WordPress WooCommerce store. Whether you're just launching or updating your shop, by the end of this you'll be able to accept payments easily. Let's jump right into it. After you're ready with your WordPress site and WooCommerce plugin, and the WooCommerce plugin provides you with cart and checkout, and you can add your products to the site. Then you have to choose the payment system. You can choose from Stripe, PayPal, and a variety of others. And in this video, we'll focus on the PayPal payment system. So you need to create an account, and you will be prompted to choose your business type and whether it's a personal or business account. So for testing purposes, if you don't have uh, your business and you're only a developer and you want to just test it out, and you will be using the sandbox test mode, you need to choose the personal account and sole proprietorship. You will be using sandbox test mode, so we need to extract business and client secret codes that we will be using in the WordPress WooCommerce integration. So first thing you need to do is to go to your PayPal account, where you will see your login info, which includes your sandbox URL, email, and password, which are only all three of those things are only for sandbox test purposes. And by default, two account types were created, one for business and one personal. Next, when you go to Apps and Credentials tab, in the REST API Apps section, you can see one default application that you have to click. And after clicking it, you go to the page where you can find the client ID and secret key. And never share the secret key because it's a uh, confidential string, and that is generated only for you, and you will use it for authentication in your WordPress and WooCommerce application. So you copy both of them, and then we switch to the WordPress site. First of all, you have to make sure that the plugin WooCommerce PayPal Payments is installed as well. But it should be installed by default. And then you go to the WooCommerce settings, you find the payment systems, and you start configuring the PayPal payment system. Now, on this page, you can find the button Activate PayPal Systems, which is a production way to set up your PayPal integration for your business. But as a developer, we will go another path so that we can integrate PayPal for sandbox purposes. Go to the bottom of the page instead and click See Advanced Options, where you will find the options to manually connect, and after switching it on, you can copy and paste the client ID as well as the authentication secret key. Now paste this client ID and secret key from your PayPal account, click the button Save Settings, and you're all set up with the configuration. Now you might want to make sure that Pay Now experience is switched on the Settings tab, so that you get this nice little button Pay Now with PayPal on the checkout page. Now when you go back to the Payments tab of WooCommerce settings, you should see added a number of PayPal payments options, like standard card button, depending on the country your business is set up in. Can be also pay via PayPal test account. So we're good to go, and we can test out the functionality on our site. Now you can go to the PayPal settings and adjust minor things like styling or invoice prefix if you prefer. And when you're good to go, you can test the functionality. So to start, go to your shop, select a few products that you might want to buy. Then a button with PayPal appears and you can click it. Be aware that not all of the currencies are supported. For the first time, I chose South African Rand and it's not supported. So for testing purposes, you might want to select another currency. In order to change the currency, you go to the WooCommerce settings, General tab, you go down to the currency options settings, and you change the currency, for example, for US dollar. And after that, you can go back to the checkout page, refresh it, the button should appear, you click it, and you can execute the fake payment. No money will be taken out from your account. It's just for test purposes. Thank you for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.